Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To configure Wi-Fi on your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5, follow these detailed steps. First, ensure your laptop is powered on and fully charged, as a stable power source will prevent interruptions during the setup. 1. Access the taskbar. Locate the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll find the Wi-Fi icon, which looks like a series of increasing bars. If you don't see it, click on the up arrow to reveal hidden icons. 2. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. Once you find the Wi-Fi icon, click on it. This action will open a list of available networks. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled. If you see a gray icon, it indicates that Wi-Fi is off. Click on the icon to turn it on. 3. Select your network. From the list of available networks, find and select your home or office Wi-Fi network. If you're unsure which network to choose, consult your router or ask someone nearby for assistance. 4. Enter your password. After selecting your network, a prompt will appear asking for your Wi-Fi password. Carefully enter it, ensuring there are no typos. If you don't have the password, check your router or ask your service provider. 5. Connect. Click Connect after entering your password. It may take a few moments for your laptop to establish a connection. If successful, you'll see a message confirming that you're connected. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify the problem without any hassle. 6. Check the connection. To ensure that you are connected, you can open a web browser and try to access a website. If the page loads, you are successfully connected to Wi-Fi. If not, double-check your password or consider restarting your router. 7. Troubleshooting. If you continue to have issues, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, try restarting your laptop. Additionally, ensure that your router is functioning properly. If you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. This means no calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your doorstep. 8. Advanced settings. For advanced users, you may want to check your network settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet Wi-Fi and then select Hardware Properties. Here, you can change settings like IP address or DNS, depending on your needs. 9. Cleaning and maintenance. It's also a good idea to keep your laptop clean internally. Dust can accumulate over time and affect performance. To clean the internals, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and an anti-static wrist strap. Open the back panel by unscrewing the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove the panel, and use the compressed air to blow out any dust. This will help your laptop run smoothly and can improve connectivity. 10. Final checks. After cleaning, reassemble the laptop by placing the back panel and securing it with screws. If you ever need repairs, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. With these steps, you should now have your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 connected to Wi-Fi. Enjoy browsing, streaming, and working online with your newly configured settings. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.